Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by organizing both audio and images so you can work efficiently. Import the music into your editor and set the project frame rate because beat spacing depends on frames. Then bulk select photos and rename them numerically to preserve sequence. Once done, drag both audio and the first photo onto the timeline. Make sure snapping is on so clips align to markers. This prepares a clean grid and prevents timing drift as you move into beat detection and placement. You'll now find the beats and tie the visuals to them. Use your DAW or editor's beat detection to create markers at transients. If detection fails, scrub and mark strong peaks by ear. Once markers exist, trim each photo clip to snap exactly to the markers so changes hit the beat. Then vary durations, try half-beat stutters, one-beat holds, or double-beat pauses to create momentum. Make sure to preview frequently so sync remains musical and not mechanical. Finish by polishing timing and export settings. Add subtle motion or crossfades to smooth transitions, or keep hard cuts for punchy rhythms. Either choice must remain consistent with the beat grid. You should preview the full sequence twice, then nudge any mismatched cuts by 1 to 3 frames to fix micro-sync issues. When exporting, match the project frame rate and codec to avoid drift. If audio and video desync after export, re-render a short problematic segment to isolate and fix one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.